Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, this channel is your go-to shop for everything Forex. Whether you are looking for insights concerning Forex indicators or Forex systems or strategies or Forex platforms or expert advisors, anything related to Forex, then you are in the right place. Okay. Now, in this particular video, we are going to be discussing the Weis Wave Volume Indicator. All right. I'm just going to be writing the name of the indicator right here on the charts for easy identification, right? So that we can clearly see the name of the indicator in case I didn't pronounce this very properly. So the Weis Wave Volume Indicator is what we're going to be discussing in this video, right? I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. It is actually a custom indicator, okay? It's a custom indicator. So you have to download this indicator from an external source. After doing that, you can then add it to your indicators library and then restart your trading terminal before you'll be able to load it on your chart. So as we can see, this indicator aims to give you better insights into market analysis, right? It's an indicator that aims to provide a deeper understanding of buying and selling pressure in the market. Okay, so it simplifies market trends, all right, offering you precise entry and exit points. Okay, so basically when the indicators wave dips, right, when indicators wave dips here, it signifies a buying opportunity, right? You can see after this drop, and then even here, right, because the indicator makes use of lines on the candlestick chart, and then there are also histogram bars in the indicator window. All right, so you should be looking out for both the actions of the indicator on the candlestick chart and the actions of the histogram bars in the histogram, or rather the indicator window. So basically, whenever you have the histogram bars change color to red, whenever you have the histogram bars change color to red and you see it trending upwards, it indicates that there is sell momentum in the market. And you can see the bearish trend line is going to follow suit, right? The bearish trend line is going to follow suit. So if you need precise entry points, watch out for when the red bar form and you have at least 2 consecutive red bars with the next red bar higher than the previous red bar. Then you use that as your exit, your entry signal for a sell. You can go ahead and enter a sell trade, set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then for your take profit, you can decide to wait for the first green bar to form. All right, and you use that as your signal to exit your sell. Okay, in the case of a buy, you just have to watch out for the green bars forming. Wait for at least 2 consecutive green bars with the latter green bar longer than the former green bar. Okay, the second green bar should be longer than the previous green bar. After that, you can enter a buy trade and set your stop loss below the previous swing low. And then for your take profit, you can decide to wait for the bars to ascend to the top, and then you have a first red bar form below. Use that to exit your buy trade. All right, so basically this indicator can actually be used both in a trending market and in a consolidating market. Okay, you can use it whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader. So for different strategies and different styles of trading, you can be able to use this Weis Wave Volume Indicator effectively. All right, now in as much as this indicator can be effective, it's important that you always get confirmations. So make use of trend lines and support and resistance zones, horizontal support and resistance zones, for additional confirmation. For example, if you have your support and resistance zones marked out, whenever you have a signal from the indicator, If a buy signal coincides with price bouncing off a support zone, it gives that signal a higher chance of playing out. For example, we can see that we got a buy signal around here when price was bouncing off this support. So this was a confirmation that this buy is likely to play out. And we can see that the buy eventually played out. So we would have considered entering our buy trade right on time so that our risk to reward ratios can be good enough. Imagine you enter the buy around here at this support after this buy signal popped up. Enter a buy, set stop loss below here. You're going to be risking about 87 pips, and then your take profits could be around the nearest resistance, and the nearest resistance is going to be giving you somewhere around 190 pips. So that's over 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. It's a good risk to reward ratio. All right, so that is the reason why it's good to enter on time, okay, so that you can have a good risk to reward ratio. And then if you are having a confluence, it can give you higher confidence in those trades, just like I said in the case of this buy. Then in the case of a sell, if you have the price bouncing off a resistance and then you have the red bars forming, okay, it gives you a sell signal, and with that you can consider entering a sell trade, setting your stop loss right above the previous swing high, and then for your take profit you can decide to use support zones, or you can wait for the red bar, the green bar to form. Or when the green bar forms, you can use that to exit your sell. All right, so basically the resistance zone is going to give you an added layer of confirmation when the sell signal pops up. So that is the reason why you should always make use of these zones, right? Because these zones show you possible reversal points ahead of time. Okay, ahead of time. Now, in addition to that, you can actually decide to also use other indicators for your confirmations. Okay, you are not limited to just price action. You can actually decide to use other indicators, any other indicator of your choice. Okay, any indicator of your choice you can use for confirmation of your signals. All right, whether you want to use moving averages or relative strength index or moving average convergence, divergence, or any other indicator of your choice, just ensure that you are observing good risk management and you are getting confirmations before entering any trade. Okay, it's very important. So that is it for this video. The Weis Wave Volume Indicator is quite straightforward. As I already said, you just have to watch out for the bars changing color to red, and then you have a sell signal, and then when you have the bars rise to the top and a green bar forms below, is an exit signal for your sell. On the other hand, when you have the green bars forming ascending upward, it shows buy momentum. You can enter when you have 2 consecutive green bars, and then you exit after the bar has gone up and you have a red bar form below. That's a sign to exit your buy trade. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.